cooking with me. Yay! Today we'll be cooking eggs and toast. They call me Gordon Ramsay for a reason. Let's get to it. So first you gotta start the stove. Okay, how do I start this? Oh yeah, it's go time. We gotta wait until that heats up so we can put the butter.
Butter dough with the butter dough.
See you guys in 30 seconds.
7 hours later.
So now the pan is super hot. So now you gotta get the butter. Where's my butter, dude? It's right there. I put the stove on hot on accident. So now you got to put the butter on the pan. So the pan can be all slippery. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Oh, get off! Now, put the butter all around that. The pan's a little hot. Sorry about that. Okay, I think that's enough. I think that's enough butter. Butter, okay? And then you gotta crack the eggs. Okay? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. I like mine's cracked. I like mine when it pops. I don't like it when it's gushy. Nobody likes gushy eggs. Okay? I'm gonna crack the ones off camera.
Hold up, dude. That sounds like Diddy, dude. I'm not gonna crack any egg like the Diddy way. I'm gonna crack it like a normal person. Back to the video.
Okay, so this guy named Ranjan and Tommy decided to call me while I'm cooking, dude. So I made a few mistakes. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Gordon Ramsay made mistakes too. My papa might be a little angry. Come on. Gotta turn off the freaking stove, Smart. My name's Smart. I didn't turn off the stove. My bad. Well, my eggs look a little funky, but that's alright. Nothing's perfect in life. You gotta learn a big lesson. Now we gotta make the toast. If you put bread in the toaster, it equals toast. Okay, now the toast is in the toaster. I mean, the bread is in the toaster. I mean, same to potato, Fortnite, Battle Royale. Well, we have to wait a minute for the bread to be toasty. Okay, I'm gonna add some few elements to my cooking. My plate's gonna be looking spectacular. Okay, so it seems to be my toast is done. So you gotta plop this on here. Plop that on there. Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay, I forgot to put my seasonings. So some pepper. Achoo. You know, pepper makes you sneeze. Because it's so good. Now for the salt. Gonna need this bad boy. Not too much though. Not too much. Okay? And then you want to be a little spicy. Shout out to all my Latina baddies. The Latina baddies. And put tahini. For all my Latina baddies, I'm open and single. Be safe. What's enough? Okay, now it's looking good. Oh. Yeah, I cooked this myself. Definitely not leftovers. My own pizza. Yum. And I have some jerky that I dried. I killed a deer, dude. I killed a deer for this. I killed a deer for that. But we learned a lesson that I can cook. Me. Look at that. You got eggs. Got toast. Some beef. Oh yeah. And you got my homemade pizza. And for the bev, never, never, never. Yo, Ak, give me my bev. Never, never, never. Strawberry milk. Natural flavored. So the strawberry cows milk this. Straight from a strawberry cow. I'm gonna put some beef jerky that I killed a deer for. You know what? I'm gonna feel a little. I feel like Jackson Gross. So I'm gonna stack the pizza onto my bacon, egg, and cheese. You can call it bacon, egg, and cheese. Because Ak made it for me. You know Ak. For sure! Okay, let's try. Yummy. I can taste the paprika that I put in here. I give it a 10 out of 10. Try it. Follow my Follow my granddaddy Gordon Ramsay. Peace, y'all.
十分な手洗い、アルコール消毒等、感染予防対策にご協力をお願いいたします。
Thanks.
Thank you.